Hello and welcome to the channel. We're on our way out to the cinema, watch the movies. I'm not sure what the movie was, about a Black Phone 2, I think. Dark Phone 2. Alright, I'll give an update on that. Thanks for watching. I'm whispering. But we're on our way out soon. It's firework night, bonfire night. Might see some big fireworks going off. We were meant to plan for tickets for something else, but we didn't get them in time. That's the farmer's dog, but we didn't get that, sadly. But thanks for watching. Keep watching.